All right, who knows what that is? I like that stretch. It's downhill. I guess you could tell it's smoking, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can tell it's smoking. It's got a little speed, can go. Now, is she gonna back up or is she gonna fail? She's gonna fail. What is the problem with you? Oh, dog, you dog. Ah, it's got two. You gotta run 2 cycles of backup? I don't know. I've never seen that. It has a, I don't know if it needs a big delay or it just has one. I don't know what the deal is, but it's frustrating me. I don't know what it is. We're gonna have to dig into that. Ah, drat. And it's 5:30. Come on, boys. I gotta eat. I gotta take care of business. There must be something in the latching. There's either a capacitor holding too much voltage or not draining enough. Maybe a resistor not draining enough. There's a delay in this. That's how it gets the neutral. And something isn't quite perfect. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see, we got 10 volts. What needs 10 volts to move? It's so noisy. You know what? I picked up a bolt in the motor, a screw, the other day, and I found it because this magnet is so strong. It just picks up stuff on the bench. Well, there it is. That's what we got. The new board's wired in. We got all the trucks. We have 8 brass wheels, by the way. We have not 4. If I can show you with one hand. We have 8 brass wheels. And each one of them is live. These 4 go to one side and these 4 go to the other side. So we have all-wheel pickup. What's kind of nice. If we just had all wheels go in the direction we want, that would be good. I use this little piece here from the flyer stuff because it allows me to run without my firebox. We got the smoke, I think, dialed in really good. I changed the thermistor. I've got that military grade resistor, and it's doing great. It's doing about 7 volts, which is safe, and it'll be just fine. The motor is doing real well. These Jim Shea fields are quite well done. This is one of his earlier ones. The later ones are even better looking, but they all work great for the AC conversion to DC. We got our buck boost board in there. It's not too hot. We got our rectifier. It's not too hot. We have our direction chips, and they're not too hot. I just have a issue with the delay for some. Oh, just ignore that. An issue with the delay where there's a reset function, and it just looks for a 1 second timer, and I'm thinking there must be something I have, or Andy or I both. I don't know what it is, but we'll figure it out. It worked pretty good on the bench. I did a lot of tests there, and it was fine. I get on here and the big blunderbuss, the Z4000, 40 watts, baby, 4 ohms, a 4 amp limit though, and so it's not going to fry too much. The old number 2 is doing pretty good. Maybe I'll put that back into action. All right, gang, that's it. I have got to go. This is level 1. This is a next generation S control board, motor control board. It gives you an auxiliary DC, so you can run a rectifier, or in this case a buck boost board, so you can run other stuff. In this case it's going to be the smoke management, temperature control stuff. There's more stuff coming, you know. This is when you have the gear and you had smoke. This just bolts on, no drilling, no cutting, no nothing. Just you got to rework your smoke hair tidy bit, and then my heater sits right on top. Everything's fine. And then screw this in, run your wires, and this will have a plug, so you don't have to do any soldering. And we're there on level 1. Level 2, more coming, okay? And there's an option level 2 where you don't have smoke. We have, I can hear, I don't know, you won't be able to see it too much, but we have a 3D printed smoke. Oh boy, do you like those side rods, huh? Oh, can't shine those though, I'm afraid. Any case, damn, this whole thing's plastic. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I'll get in trouble. It's 5:30. If I beat her before she yells, that's usually a good thing. You never know. Might get lucky. I doubt it. All right, later.